Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius Fire Sign. Today I'm going to do a reading for those who are in separation and no contact. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone, so take what resonates and leave the rest. If you like my content, please do like the video, guys, then it will reach more people. And thank you so much for supporting me. If anyone need a personal reading, I'm giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me and reading for charge. Sagittarius Fire Sign, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So first we will see what is the blockage in your relationship. Under the deck, Seven of Wands. Oh my god. So the main blockage in this relationship is self-defense. Yes, you both love each other. King of Cups and Queen of Cups. Definitely mutual love is there. But uh, one person is selfish, definitely in this relationship. Either it could be you or your person. Very, very selfish, but one person is not. So that's why you both are in separation right now. But love is there, emotions are there, but one person is selfish, but one person is not. There is no balance. So let's see your person current feelings and their true intentions. Some of you are dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Scorpio. What a sign. So your person current feelings and their true intentions. Under the deck, Seven of Cups. Some of you are dealing with Capricorn, 8 sign, Libra, 8 sign, but I'm seeing a lot of water energies here. So Sagittarius, definitely your person is obsessively thinking about you. They're trying to move on, at the same time they want reconciliation. So your person is at some crossroads right now. Yeah, they're in some confusion also, because one time they really want to be with you, they're really obsessively thinking about you, but another time they're just trying to move on from this relationship. So I want to clarify Six of Swords here. Yeah, they want to reconcile, definitely they want to communicate with you. They want to talk to you, because Page of Wands and Page of Cups, definitely they want to fix things with you here majorly. uh, but again they are in some confusion. Seven of Cups, they're in so much confusion right now. And at the same time your person is waiting for the divine timing, Wheel of Fortune, and the Devil. So they are thinking that sometimes your bond is becoming toxic, unbalanced, but right now they are thinking about reconciliation, because Six of Cups is here. At the same time they're thinking about communication also. Maybe they want to say apology for sure, because Page of Wands and Page of Cups. And but before that they need to make a decision here. Seven of Cups with Judgment, they need to make a decision. So let's see your current feelings. King of Pentacles, the Hierophant, and Knight of Cups under the deck, the High Priestess. Sagittarius, you are emotionally connected to this person still. You want stability, you want commitment. Definitely, you're also thinking about reconciliation, and you are missing them. Five of Pentacles. Definitely, you're feeling lonely without them, but you are hiding your feelings, and you're trying to listen to your intuition and trusting your inner voice. But you have deep emotions towards this person. Some of you, you are growing spiritually here. You are learning some new skills to come out of this energy, uh, to come out of this sadness. You are trying to do something. So let's see, will they take any action or not? Under the deck, Ace of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, Page of Swords, and Six of Pentacles. So your person is spying you on social media, definitely, and they are thinking about equal give and take, and they really want to fight for this connection. And Ace of Pentacles, it's all about new beginning. They want to have a new beginning with you, but your person is very, very stubborn. So they need some time to express their feelings. But I want to clarify Seven of Wands here. So they have passion towards you. So definitely they want to fight for this connection. Some of you are dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. A lot of fire energy and earth energies here. They're spying you. And I want to clarify Six of Pentacles. So due to your person's stubborn nature, they're hesitating to take action. So do you want to take action from your end, Sagittarius? Nine of Cups, Two of Swords, and Three of Pentacles. So Nine of Cups means, yes, you want this relationship, you're wishing for this connection, but regarding taking action, you are not clear about that, because you're thinking about partnership and equal give and take. For some, maybe third party involved here, especially family issues. For some, definitely I'm seeing family issues here. So that's why you don't have clarity regarding taking action. So let's see what is the near future outcome of this relationship and where this relationship is headed. Ten of Pentacles, Three of Swords, and Five of Pentacles. So Sagittarius, uh, you both will miss each other. Definitely both will think about each other. You both will feel overburdened, emotionally overburdened. Definitely I'm seeing major missing here from both sides, not only from one side. You both will miss each other madly. I'm seeing major missing here. So let's clarify the outcome. Some of you are dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign. So decision making will be the key. See, overthinking, again, decision making will be the key here. Some of you are dealing with Pisces, water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and some of you are dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Gemini. So you both need to make a decision. Otherwise, you both will be in the same energy. You both will miss each other, feeling heartbroken. So let's see what is the advice for you regarding this relationship or situation. Ace of Wands. So it's a new beginning. You are expecting a new beginning, Sagittarius. You still have passion for this person, and you're waiting. You're waiting for new beginning. You're waiting for the growth here. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. I want to be with you forever. Age difference. For some, maybe you both have age difference here. Holding back. So yeah, I already told you they're hesitating to take action here. And finances and career, maybe right now they're focusing on their finances and career. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If anyone need a personal reading, I'm giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me and readings are chargeable. Thank you so much for your support.